Hey everyone, welcome back to Mad Panda Games. We're back in Bioshock again, and I believe if we left off last time, we were dealing with a lot of turrets and splicers and things shooting us and us potentially dying a couple of times. But you know what? Everything's fine. It's fine. We're good. Let's go ahead and get right into it. We are still in Neptune's Bounty, I believe. So, we have a little turret guy. We have this friend. I don't remember what I call him, so I'm gonna call him Dave. And things are shooting other things, and I'm not entirely sure what's happening. But you know, we're gonna just where does this stuff keep going? I think we're supposed to go out this way, maybe. It looks like it. Oh wait, is there something there? Oh shoot, is there something there? Yes. God. Well, okay. What is going on? My goodness. Oh, how many? Okay. So we still have another little sister to try and rescue. As to, well, I guess we could, but we don't have very many health packs, nor do we have a whole lot of Eve left over. So it could be a bit. No, what do I have for a weapon? Oh, that's good. Well, Dave's probably not gonna last very long. But you know what? That's fine. Okay, switch to this. Yeah, Dave's not. Electric buck. Run away, run away, run away! Run away! I don't have any more electric bucks. I have exploding bucks though. Will that work? Oh, is that turret down too? Oh shit. Okay. Oh, he not happy! Oh! Man, that's Steve's fault. Okay, we need bucks. Hell no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not that stupid. Nope. Can that work? No. Oh, jeez. That rivet gun is awful and terrible all at the same time. Ooh. Jeez Louise. Hello, little one. Let's go ahead and rescue you. You're okay. I promise. Everything's gonna be just fine. See? Thank you. You're welcome. It'd probably be best if I didn't, point this at you, but I can't really not point it at you. Okay, so before I do that, let's get that here and do. Can I do that? There we go. Let's get rid of these, that way I don't end up accidentally killing myself. Why can't I? What is happening? There we go. That's... oh, there's more... I mean, I could leave them around for, like, other things. Well, Dave and Mr. Explodey are all said and done. But you know what? That's fine. We got Adam out of it. I'm totally okay with it. Let's see. I definitely think we'll do both of these. Yeah. There we go. That's much better. I think that was a good use of everything. Don't you? I can't use that. Alright. Welcome to the circus of values. Alright, well, let's continue onward, I suppose. I've gotten... oh, wait. That's right. I forgot. There was a thing that I needed to get. I wish I could sprint this game. can't sprint and it annoys me. I can't jump though, so that's a thing, I suppose. Oh. Okay, there was. What is. That looks like. Ammo? Come on. There we go. That was just pistol rounds. I went all the way down there for pistol rounds. Kidding me? Oh, that's not the crouch. I need crouch. I don't need that. I need crouch. There we go. That's what I needed. Yeah, I need all of that. Because, you know, Big Daddies. Big Daddies are a lot. I have to remember button layouts. Is there something through here? No? Okay. Well, I tried. I tried so hard.
You can blame a lady who craves variety.
That depends on what kind of variety you're talking about, man. Or you. Person, you.
One day the gentleman stopped calling.
I wonder why. I can only imagine why. Why would anybody decide to stop talking to you? All sarcasm aside, yeah. People have completely lost their crap here in Raptures. It's not surprising. Okay, I need that one, this one. Oh, it costs less to heal up. What's interesting too is that when those things are destroyed, you get a free health pack out of it, but at the cost of losing the thing itself, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. There we go. I think I get something out of this area. Oh yeah. I need bucks, pistol round. Oh, I pull up on pistol rounds. That's right. Oh boy.
Atlas radio on ahead says you were looking for an invite to the fisheries. Nuts, I say. But if your head's up to the Warp Master's office and find old Peach a research camera, maybe I could manage an invite. Well, what was that? My friend, you are fucked.
Nah, I don't think so. Why am I not getting any better? I think I want a shotgun. What was that? Okay, hold on. Let's do incinerate.
You almost died. I need something first. So watch your back.
Run away, you stupid bitch! Run away! Where are you?
Tough for you. Look on the belt. You'll find something to keep you alive. Now, go get that camera and then snapshots of those that crawls on the ceiling. Then I'll let you into the fisheries. Just remember, sonny friend, I smell an ounce of Fontaine on you, and I'll have you in a box. Atlas gives you the vouch, but I ain't turning my eye just on his say-so.
So far, we've had 2 mentions of a Fontaine. And I don't think having that at close range would be a good idea.
Grown man jumping at ghosts. Fontaine's dead, and everybody knows it. In the ground for months, and half the place still jumping at his shadow. Christ, even Ryan. You never mind all that. We got work to do.
Suckers. So, as you've seen, there are different types of splicers. You have the lead head splicers, which are literally it's pretty much self-explanatory. They're splicers that carry weapons. They carry guns mostly. Um, the one that you just saw me fight was what's what's called a spider splicer because they crawl on ceilings and crap. Those guys are usually a bit tougher. There's also splicers called emu splicers.
Decent, decent enough, son.
Um,
No doubt he'll wait until after you've done his errands to stick a shiv in your belly.
he did. Hello? Ow? Ow? Very, very anticlimactic, all of that. All of that was very anticlimactic. I remember that being a lot more terrifying in the past, but I guess, you know, it doesn't have to be, I suppose. Okay. Yeah, I know. You cannot carry any more of this item. Well, I guess I should probably be using that then, shouldn't I? Yes, I'll take that. Uh, Come on. I keep constantly forgetting what the crouch button is, and it's annoying as all get out. Okay. And we have other things. That's a corpse. That's a first aid kit. Can I have that? Anti-person. Ooh, that's a lot. Alright, I'm down. Alright, what's this? Oh.
Something must be done about Fontaine. While I was buying buildings and fish futures, he was cornering the market on genotypes and nucleotide sequences. Rapture is transforming before my eyes. The great chain is pulling away from me. Perhaps it's time to give it a tug.
Mm. Well, thank you for whoever dropped that for me. But as of right now, that's about all the time I have for today on this particular segue. We got to meet old Peachy. We'll be dealing with him later on as well, obviously. We only have one more little sister to rescue in this level, which is awesome. The sooner we can get that done, the better. And then, yeah, a lot of fun things to come and a lot more things to explore, and we'll see how everything goes. So if you guys like this series, please let me know down in the comments below or like the video. Share it with other fellow nerds who also like Bioshock, or just, put the word out there. It will help me, I promise. It will help in the future, um, as well as liking the video and such. Don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. And with that, I believe where I will see you guys next time. Bye!